Lift every voice and sing, earth, heaven, ring, ring with the harmonies of liberty. Let our rejoicing.
I hope that people feel more comfortable walking in their truths, more comfortable telling and sharing their stories, because I think through storytelling you can inspire empathy, and I think through empathy is when love comes.
My hope is that the students leave the lecture feeling like they are the change that we seek in the world. What better way to step into your own power and progress and resources and make it happen.
It's incredibly important for Vanderbilt to connect with the city and to connect across all its different departments and schools and colleges in such a special day, because it gives us a chance to commemorate the Reverend Martin Luther King Jr. as a group, as a Vanderbilt family and a community.